Hey.
Hi.
Guess what? Jessie moved.
No, I didn't.
And got a new puppy.
Just kidding.
It's my puppy. We love her because she's a puppy. And does anybody know where we are? Of course not. So no. Well, we're in our new studio.
I forgot.
Studio. Okay, we'll try that. We're in our new studio. Okay, well over here we've got a banner.
It says the Jessie Beth Show.
And over here,
Got all these shells.
all these shells. This lunchbox with the Cheshire Cat on it.
And then
That made me a horsey. A jewelry box shaped like a butterfly. A heart pillow that says I love you. And a picture of me and Reagan in an awesome frame.
And then the scarf over the mirror.
Scarf and another banner. Then over here we've got a giant dog and a pillow
And
and a
stuffed
rug.
animals. And
Stuffed animals.
A pyramid
and a
of Izzy
pyramid
cans.
made out of Izzy cans because we love Izzy's.
and another banner.
And another banner. And this is our studio.
Yeah, they know. Then more stuffed animals. A bed.
A pillow. So you'll be seeing us film in here a lot. Wait, where's the puppy?
She left.
Oh dear.
So yeah.
Bye.
Bye.